Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify WordPress site health on your managed VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify the health of your WordPress site on a managed VPS, begin by logging into your VPS control panel. Once logged in, navigate to the WordPress installation section. Look for any installed plugins and themes that may need updates. Updating these components can enhance site performance and security. Next, check the server resources your VPS is utilizing. Look for CPU, RAM, and disk space usage metrics. A healthy site should not be nearing its usage limits. Now, open your WordPress admin dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the Site Health section found under the Tools menu. Check the status report for any critical issues or recommendations. Address any recommended improvements listed for optimal performance. Next, run a performance check on your site using a website speed tool. Analyze the loading time and any potential bottlenecks identified in the report. Look for large image files or unoptimized code that could be slowing your site down. Additionally, review the error logs available in your VPS control panel. Address any frequent errors that may impact site functionality. Next, conduct a security check. Look for any vulnerabilities reported by security plugins or tools. Ensure that your SSL certificate is active and correctly configured. Finally, regularly backup your WordPress site and database. These backups are crucial for recovery in case of any issues. By following these steps, you can effectively verify the health of your WordPress site on your managed VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.